When it comes to blending technology, Vitamix is a name that stands out, revered by both professional chefs and home cooks alike. This Vitamix 7500 blender, with its striking red finish and professional-grade capabilities, embodies the brand's commitment to quality and performance. This review delves into the features, performance, and overall value of the Vitamix 7500, giving you a comprehensive look at why this blender might be the perfect addition to your kitchen. The Vitamix 7500 blender is not just a kitchen appliance. It's a statement of durability and efficiency. The blender boasts a sleek, low-profile 64-ounce container that combines form and function. Its design allows it to fit comfortably under most kitchen cabinets, making it a versatile choice for kitchens with limited counter space. Available in a bold red finish, the Vitamix 7500 adds a pop of color to your kitchen decor. Its modern and stylish appearance is complemented by a robust, professional-grade build. The blender's base is constructed from high-quality materials, ensuring longevity and resilience. The 6-foot cord provides ample reach, allowing you to place the blender wherever it is most convenient. Vitamix is known for its durable construction, and the 7500 is no exception. The blender's components are designed to withstand the rigors of daily use, making it a reliable investment for anyone serious about blending. The low-profile container is made from BPA-free Triton, which is not only shatter-resistant but also easy to clean. What sets the Vitamix 7500 apart from other blenders on the market is its exceptional performance. Equipped with a powerful motor, the 7500 delivers consistent, high-quality results, whether you're making smoothies, soups, or sauces. The Vitamix 7500 features a 2.2 horsepower motor, which is engineered to provide optimal power and performance. This motor, combined with the blender's advanced design, ensures that you can tackle even the toughest ingredients with ease. From ice and frozen fruits to nuts and fibrous vegetables, the Vitamix 7500 can handle it all. One of the standout features of the Vitamix 7500 is its variable speed control. With 10 different speeds to choose from, you have precise control over the texture of your blends. Whether you're aiming for a silky smooth puree or a chunky salsa, the variable speed settings allow you to achieve the perfect consistency for any recipe. The Pulse feature adds another layer of versatility to the Vitamix 7500. It allows you to layer coarse chops over smooth purees, making it ideal for creating heartier recipes, such as chunky salsas or thick vegetable soups. The Pulse function provides an extra burst of power when needed, giving you control over the final texture of your blend. The Vitamix 7500 is a versatile kitchen tool, capable of handling a wide range of blending tasks. From smoothies and juices to soups and nut butters, this blender excels in delivering consistent, high-quality results. For smoothie enthusiasts, the Vitamix 7500 offers exceptional blending performance. Its powerful motor and hardened stainless steel blades ensure that fruits, vegetables, and ice are blended to a perfectly smooth consistency. Whether you prefer a simple fruit smoothie or a nutrient-packed green drink, the Vitamix 7500 delivers delicious results every time. The Vitamix 7500 is also equipped to handle hot soups and sauces. The blender's design allows it to heat ingredients through friction, creating hot soups without the need for a stove. This feature is particularly useful for those who enjoy making homemade soups and sauces from scratch. For those who like to experiment with homemade nut butters or frozen desserts, the Vitamix 7500 provides the power and precision needed to achieve the desired consistency. Blender's hardened stainless steel blades are designed to handle even the toughest ingredients, making it easy to create smooth and creamy nut butters or decadent frozen treats. The Vitamix 7500 is designed with user convenience in mind. From its intuitive controls to its easy-to-clean components, this blender simplifies the blending process and minimizes cleanup time. One of the most convenient features of the Vitamix 7500 is its self-cleaning capability. With just a drop of dish soap and warm water, you can set the blender to its highest speed and watch it clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. This feature eliminates the need for disassembly and ensures that your blender is ready for the next use with minimal effort. Vitamix is renowned for its durable blenders, and the 7500 is no exception. Built to last, this blender is designed to withstand the demands of daily use. The hardened stainless steel blades and robust motor ensure that the Vitamix 7500 remains a reliable kitchen companion for years to come. Vitamix 7500 comes with a comprehensive warranty, reflecting the brand's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. The warranty covers defects in materials and workmanship, providing peace of mind and ensuring that your investment is protected. Conclusion: the Vitamix 7500 blender is a powerful, versatile, and durable kitchen appliance that lives up to the brand's reputation for excellence. Its combination of professional-grade performance, user-friendly features, and easy maintenance make it a top choice for anyone looking to elevate their blending experience. Whether you're a smoothie aficionado, a soup maker, or a fan of homemade nut butters, the Vitamix 7500 delivers consistent, high-quality results that will enhance your culinary creation. With its sleek design, powerful motor, and advanced features, this blender is a worthy investment for anyone passionate about cooking and blending. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.